19mm wide, fit within a cutout of 17.15 by 22.86mm, allowing up to 20 units in a 1U, 19-inch rack. Plastic and metal frame options, black or nickel finish, with various fixing hole types. Plain 2.5 and 3.2mm, countersunk, 3.2mm or imperial, 4 to 4T and M3 threads. Connector types: HDMI, USB 2.0 and 3.0 AA, BA, USB-C, FM, Cat5e 6.6a, shielded or unshielded, Cat3 BNC 5075 ohm, blank plates, covers and sealing gaskets. DualSLIMs variants offer front or rear mounting. Front for easy field change-out, rear for flush low-profile installations.